What should we do if immigration, the consulate, or the ministry asks us for a document that we can't provide? Well, the first thing is to understand why they're asking us for that document. That's the first thing. We have to ask, why? Because if we know why they're requesting it, we might be able to provide another document or respond with a note or an explanation stating why we can't present it. That's the first thing, to know why they're asking for it and to understand which document they're requesting. If at any given moment we don't have another document that can replace it, then there is a legal basis in Spain, which is the presumption of truthfulness. This means if you ask me for something that is impossible for me to provide and I demonstrate, not just say but demonstrate, to you that I can't or I explain it properly, then by the presumption of truthfulness, you have to believe me, okay? But again, I repeat, the first thing is to find out why they are not requesting it, in case we can, at some point, present another document that could replace it, and if not, presumption of truthfulness. Well, I hope this has been helpful to you. Best regards.